Flutter e-commerce app. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀 in your browser using the link provided in the pinned comment section. Download the code by clicking on the code button and then selecting Download Zip from the drop-down menu. Extract the downloaded folder to your desired location on your computer. Open Git Bash inside the extracted folder by right-clicking and selecting Git Bash from the context menu. Type code, then Git Bash terminal to open Visual Studio Code directly inside the current folder. Once VS Code opens, access the terminal within the editor. Type flutter pub-get to download and install all the project dependencies required for the application. Run flutter pub upgrade to upgrade the versions of all dependencies to their latest compatible versions. Execute flutter create to recreate the Flutter project structure and ensure everything is properly configured. Run cd to navigate into the project directory that was recreated in the previous step. Now run flutter run. To start the Flutter application, the system will prompt you to select which browser you want to use to open and display the project, such as choosing Edge browser for testing your e-commerce application.